New numbers from the World Health Organization tonight. More than 90,000 people have contracted the coronavirus and more than 3,000 have died. Here in the U.S., the CDC reports more than 12 states have confirmed cases of the virus, and officials in Washington say it's time to blame for 9 deaths. Now, authorities now pleading anyone who's feeling ill and thinks they may have been exposed to call their healthcare provider and stay home to avoid infecting others. Sarah Dolph has more on this story.
As coronavirus concerns widen, news a treatment could be ready in a matter of months.
We should know within a period of a few months, several months, whether or not this particular drug works. If it does, the implementation of that would be almost immediate.
A vaccine, however, at least a year out, say national health experts who toured a laboratory at the National Institutes of Health Vaccine Research Center alongside President Donald Trump. In response to the growing economic threat, the Federal Reserve announcing an emergency interest rate cut, the biggest in over a decade.
We can and will do our part, however, to keep the U.S. economy strong as we meet this challenge.
In New York, a second case signaling the virus may be spreading locally. A Westchester man who hadn't traveled internationally or come into contact with a known patient.
I said you'll start to see community spread cases where you can't track it back directly to one place or one visit.
The school one of the man's children attends closed, along with at least one other. A Department of Homeland Security office in Seattle is closed for at least 2 weeks. An employee there fell ill after visiting a family member at the nursing facility where multiple people have died.
The employee did not report to work when they felt ill. We are taking these steps, again, out of an abundance of caution.
And stores across the country seeing a run on supplies, food, hand sanitizer, and toilet paper amid fears of a possible pandemic.